In this video, you will learn how to make $100 a day with Copecart. Making $100 a day with Copecart, a popular digital platform for sales and affiliate marketing. This can be achieved by leveraging all its features and strategies effectively. Follow this step-by-step guide to help you get there. First, select a profitable niche. Selecting a niche that has a strong demand for digital products. Popular niches include personal development, online business, finance, and fitness. Research to ensure that you have a solid audience willing to buy the type of product you intend to promote. Then, sign up for Copecart. Go to the Copecart website and create an account. Once registered, you will have access to a marketplace of digital products to promote and sell directly. Affiliate marketing. Promote a product created by others in Copecart Marketplace. You will earn a commission for each sale generated through your unique link. Browse Copecart for high converting digital products such as softwares, ebooks and courses. Ensure that your product is being promoted and has a good sales page and a strong reputation. You can also sell your own digital products through Copecart. Promote the products or affiliate links through social media. Remember, use platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter to promote your affiliate products or your own products. Connect those that educate and entertain or inform your audience while gently introducing the product. Share your affiliate link or code to get people to buy from you. You can use paid ads or you can just do it organically. Optimize your conversion rate. Sales funnels and follow-ups all help to optimize your conversion rate. Create a well-structured sales funnel to capture leads, build trust and convert them into paying customers that pay you over time. Implement a follow-up strategy with your leads. This could be through an email sequence or retargeting ads. Monitor performance. Track your results. Use the built-in analytics on Copecart. This can help you identify your products, traffic sources and promote the correct strategies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.